Text animation has never been this easy in Davinci Resolve. Check this out. If I go to Effects, go to Titles, open this up, go to Animated Text Pack, and I drag and drop a new motion text into my timeline like so. Well, let's bring it to here. I can play that like this. Let's say I want to change this text. I'm just going to come here, maybe subscribe to this channel. There you go. Subscribe to this channel. Let's say I want to make it all capital letters. I can just hit this one and it would appear like this. Perfect. Or I can still change it back to this one. I can change the font from here as always. Now, if you look at the animation, it's just a word by word. You have an in and an out animation. You can go to animation. Let's say you want to change that from letter to word. You can just pick word, and if we play that, you see that's the word coming in. You can see that the distance the text moves is too short. Come down to this distance move and you can increase the distance like so. And you'll see, yes, it comes down from right below there. If you want to apply some presets, let's say I want to apply a preset like this, elastic, which means the animation is going to have a bounce effect. Let's say I want to change it to something like word pop up. And you see that if I play that, it pops up and pops back out. Yes, I want to do another animation. I get another new motion text into my timeline, and let's come here. I'm going to copy this one, Control C, come to this one. By the way, subscribe to the channel for more Davinci Resolve tutorials. Now let's play this one. It comes in word by word. Let's go maybe to this one. Let's change the font SF, and yes, this one is okay. Now let's say I want to add glow to this. I just come to styling. You see here glow. I can enable that. The text is already glowed. And if you come back here to these controls, you'll see here solid gradient. Let's choose gradient, and you see a really cool gradient being added to it. So you have so many controls just in one effect. And I might go to the text controls and bring it down here so I can see it a little bit more. Now you can play with the glow as you want, and voila, you have your animation. If you want to try out this text pack, link in the description. Use code PRINCE10 at checkout to get 10% off your purchase. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.